Hello everyone. Today's topic is tense, the most common and important topic of English grammar. So let's start. Okay, what is tense? Tense expresses the time of an event or actions. We can also say that what is tense? Tense is a time. But only time? No. Action in a sentence usually performed by or centered around the subject of the sentence. Now, here action means verb. And what do the verb means? The verb means क्रिया, काम जो आप उस वक्त करते हो और किस समय पर करते हो, that is called time. Okay, our tense is divided into three parts: past tense, present tense and future tense. I know you have already studied in your previous classes, but we are revising this tense again. Okay, in this topic we will learn about the present tense. So let's start. Present tense is divided into four parts: present indefinite tense, or we can say simple present tense; present progressive or continuous tense; present perfect tense; present perfect continuous tense. Okay, simple present tense. Here, simple present tense is used. When to be used? Simple present tense is used in a schedule form, like when you are expressing your schedule or you are saying someone your schedule, like always, regularly, every day, daily. It is also used as a habit, universal truth for giving direction and instruction. Don't be confused, we will learn with the help of the example. Before that, here rule will be subject plus first form of verb. Okay, example, he drinks tea at breakfast. What does it mean? It is his habit. Okay, earth revolves around the sun. It is a general truth. You can't change it. Now you are giving the instruction. Open the packet and pour the contents into hot water. This all example is of simple present tense. Now let's learn about the present continuous tense, the second part of present tense. With the word continuous, we already understand that something is in a running form in a present. Like I am teaching you tense. Okay, that is continuous, that is running now. Okay, when an activity started some time ago is still continuing while speaking. Rule will be subject plus is, am, are plus first form, verb and ing form. Verb with ing form. Okay, example here will be I am going to the college field. Means I am going, still he is going, not he reached there or not he will go. He is still going at the present time. He is coming here for some tips. They are making a basketball ground. Okay, present perfect tense. With the word perfect means something is perfect, something is complete. When to use? When an activity is over, but it still has an effect on present. Here the rule will be subject has or have plus third form of verb. We will understand with the example, that is I have seen that movie. That it is a perfect, that you have already seen that movie. Okay, you have seen that movie and it also has an effect on present. For example, that while watching the movie with your friend and you have already watched, what you will say, that you have seen that movie. Ram has not reached yet. That means Ram is on the way. Okay, he has not reached yet. Next one is I have broken my leg. I have broken my leg means it has we can say the recent event. Okay, he is showing his recent event that he has broken his leg. Mean at the time of the present he has broken his leg. मैं अपना पैर तोड़ चुका हूँ, है ना. कई बार आप गिर जाओगे में यस आई हैव ब्रोकन माई लेग. I have seen John this week. What does it mean? That this week is not completed, this week is still running, and you have seen John in this week at the present time. Okay, present perfect continuous. Here perfect plus continuous. When do we use? An activity started in the past but are not sure when it will conclude. Means the activity, the action that is started in the past but it is not ended yet. But means it is still in continuous form. Here the rule will be subject plus has been or have been plus verb with ing and plus since or for. For example, Ram has been reading for 3 years. What does it mean? Ram is still reading. Okay? The activity was started in the past but it is still in a continuous form. We have been living together for 4 years. Means still they are living together. Okay? She has been finding the dress since morning. Since morning she is finding the dress. She has started finding the dress in the morning and she didn't find it yet. Okay, so she is still finding it. So we will say that she has been finding the dress since morning. Means she is still in a continuous form. Okay, she is still finding the dress. Okay, the next part is past tense. Already you are familiar with the past tense. That what does the past tense means? Means बीता हुआ कल. जब हम कुछ बीते हुए कल की बात कर लेते हैं. मैंने ये खाया था, मैंने ये मूवी देखी थी. So that is called past tense. Past tense also have same as the present tense 4 part. That is past indefinite tense. We can also say that simple present, simple past tense, past progressive continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. We will start with the simple past tense. Like it is used to indicate a finished or completed action, tasks that occurred, happened at a specific point in time in the past. Okay, we can also say that activity started in the past got over in the past. Okay, the activity that you have already started in the past and it got over in the past. The rules will be subject plus second form of verb. Okay, let's learn with the example. I ate a mango a few minutes ago. Means you have already completed the action of eating the mango. Okay, in the past. I lost my keys yesterday. Both the action is completed. Yesterday, okay, it is gone and you have lost your key. I lost my keys yesterday. The activity that started in the past and got over in the past. I saw John last week. The last week, okay, the time got over and also the activity. Means both the activity, only one activity and the time period got over. It means last week, बीता हुआ जो हफ्ता था उसमें आपने जॉन को देखा था. पिछले हफ्ते मैंने जॉन को देखा था. When you are getting that tha, you will note that it is a past tense. Okay, past progressive tense means something is continuing in the past. Okay, an activity is going on before it is over. It is interrupted by another activity. Like we can also say that overlapping action, some past habit. Okay, story background. Here the rule will be subject was, were plus verb with ing form. Okay, here is the example. He was sleeping yesterday at 6:30 p.m. When Raj came, I was sleeping. Interrupted, overlapping. They were playing football in the field. You were shopping in that market. Means this all are past activities that were continuing in the past tense. ओके, जब आप किसी को देखते हो मार्केट में शॉपिंग करते हुए, ओके, और जब अगले दिन जब आप उससे मिलते हो तो आप उसे क्या कहोगे? आप उसे यही कहोगे कि मैंने कल तुम्हें शॉपिंग करते हुए देखा था, आप शॉपिंग कर रहे थे ना कल. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड पास्ट टेंस. मीन्स वो कंटिन्यूस था, जब आपने उसे देखा तो वो शॉपिंग कर रहा था. पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. An activity started in the past and was concluded. Another activity also happened. Okay. Past perfect tense में दो एक्टिविटी आपको देखने को मिलेगी. Okay. Action finished before another past action. Okay. दो एक्टिविटी आपको यहाँ पर देखने को मिलेगी. Here subject plus had plus third form of verb. Okay. Let's understand with an example. They had played football in that field before it started to rain. You can see the two activities here. One, rain, and second, they were playing football. Okay. So what is the sentence? That they had played football in that field before it started to rain. बारिश होने से पहले वो फुटबॉल खेल चुके थे. We had watched a movie in that cineplex before he came. उसके आने से पहले हम उस cineplex में मूवी देख चुके थे. I helped him to do the tasks after I had finished my work. Same, two activities. Okay. Now, past perfect continuous tense. It is used to demonstrate an action which continued for a specific period of time but stopped before another action. Okay, we can also say that the how long to a point in the past or result at a time in the past. Here the rule will be subject plus had been. Okay, you're getting it, that perfect continuous, either it is in the past or in the present perfect continuous or past perfect continuous. If it is present perfect continuous, you will use have been or has been. But when you are using past tense, past perfect continuous tense, then it will be had been. Subject plus had been plus verb with ing form plus sense or form. Okay, here is the example. They had been playing football in that field before it started to rain. They had been playing football in that field before it started to rain. Getting? There is a two activity, but one activity was running, means in a continuous form. They had been playing football in that field before it started to rain. I had been helping him to do the tasks before I started the program. I had been helping him to do the tasks before I started the program. I had been listening to melodious song for 2 hours. Okay? Means you can say the how long to a point in the past, result at a time in the past. This both are the way when to use. Okay, the past there is a two activity and one activity is in the continuous form. Okay, so now we are here with the third part of the tense, that is future tense. Same as the past tense and the present tense, future tense is also divided into four parts: future indefinite or simple future tense, future progressive tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. Future indefinite or simple present tense. Okay, when to use? When we are predicting something, like future prediction, promises, request, future conditional, plan and intention. Here the rule will be subject plus will plus first form of verb. It is, you will get it with the example that sun will rise at 7 a.m. Still you are, this is a prediction. Okay, आप अभी सिर्फ एक अंदाज़ा लगा रहे हो, प्रिडिक्ट कर रहे हो, ठीक है, कि कल सूर्य कब उदय होगा, सुबह के 7 बजे. ठीक है, अभी तक ना ही सूरज उगा है और ना ही उगा था, उगने वाला है. इट विल राइज एट, ओके, इट विल राइज एट 7 a.m. दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रिडिक्शन. आई विल हेल्प यू टू सॉल्व योर सम, ओके, दैट इज प्रॉमिस. आप अपने फ्रेंड को कई बार प्रोमिस देते हो ना, हाँ बिल्कुल मैं आपकी हेल्प करूँगा, आपने ना ही किया था ना ही कर रहे हो, आप करोगे. दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्यूचर टेंस, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रॉमिस. फ्यूचर कंडीशनल, इफ इट डजंट रेन वी विल गो टू द पार्क, दैट इज कॉल्ड कंडीशन. आपने एक कंडीशन रखी, अगर बारिश नहीं हुई तो हम पार्क जाएंगे, अभी आप गए नहीं हो. ओके, फ्यूचर प्रोग्रेसिव और कंटिन्यूस टेंस. ओवरलैपिंग एक्शंस, फ्यूचर एज अ मैटर ऑफ कोर्स, लाइक later, tonight, next week, on the 3rd of September. That is an example. Okay, like rules here will use that subject will be plus verb with ing form. For example, I will be waiting when you arrive. फ्यूचर की बात कर रहे हैं ना, जब तक आप आओगे मैं आपका वेट कर रहा होगा. ठीक है, मैं वेट करूँगा आपका. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस टेंस. द गवर्नमेंट विल बी मेकिंग अ स्टेटमेंट लेटर. ओके, फ्यूचर एज अ मैटर ऑफ कोर्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड लेटर, टुनाइट, नेक्स्ट वीक. जब आप फ्यूचर की बात करते हो, अभी तक गवर्नमेंट ने कोई भी ऐसा स्टेटमेंट नहीं बनाया है, बनाने वाला है. फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस, अगेन विद द वर्ड परफेक्ट, मीन्स होने वाला, जो चीज़ कंफर्म है, परफेक्ट. हाउ लॉन्ग टू अ पॉइंट इन द फ्यूचर, और एक्शन फिनिश्ड बिफोर अ पॉइंट इन द फ्यूचर. रूल विल बी subject plus will have plus third form of verb. For example, by next week I will have earned lot of money. The rain will have stopped by tomorrow. Okay, by next week we will have earned a lot of money. You are getting it? Perfect tense, मतलब आप एकदम कॉन्फिडेंट हो किसी चीज़ के लिए, अगले हफ्ते तक हम बहुत सारे पैसे कमा चुके होंगे. अभी तक आपने कमाया नहीं है, बट आप एक प्रिडिक्ट कर रहे हो. द रेन विल हैव स्टॉप बाय टुमारो, कल तक बारिश बंद हो चुकी होगी. ठीक है, फुल कॉन्फिडेंट. नाउ फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस, द लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ फ्यूचर टेंस. इट इंडिकेट द एक्शन दैट विल कंटिन्यू up until a point in the future. Rule, subject plus will. Always remember future is there, so you will use will, plus have been, plus verb with ing form, plus since or for. For example, I will have been traveling to Japan बाय दिस टाइम नेक्स्ट वीक। ओके, परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस में आप क्या बताना चाहते हो? आई विल हैव बीन ट्रैवलिंग टू जापान बाय दिस टाइम नेक्स्ट वीक। ये समय जो अगले हफ्ते में जो आने वाला है, इस समय मैं कहाँ पर क्या कर रहा हूँगा? मैं ट्रैवलिंग कर रहा हूँगा। किसके लिए? कहाँ जाने के लिए? जापान के लिए। एक्शन फिनिश्ड बिफोर अ पॉइंट इन द फ्यूचर। ठीक है, हाउ लॉन्ग टू अ पॉइंट इन द फ्यूचर। क्लियर? होप यू अंडरस्टूड इट प्रॉपर्ली। थैंक यू।